everyone, Chris coming back at you, Tennessee Islanders. Look at this crap falling from the trees, man. We're getting ready to take off on an adventure. As you can see, the wind is blowing. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I do know I need to run to Lowe's and make another rod holder. Let's do it. Can't buy stuff to make a rod holder without a wallet. Puppy dogs. These are not puppy dogs. So I forgot to get video footage of us over at Lowe's getting everything. I got Anthony with me. We're gonna go have some big old cats. What do you think predictions are?
75-25.
In favor or no favor? In favor. It's gonna be good. We got Jacob meeting us out there. See what we can do. What's our wind right now?
18 miles an hour.
What are you saying?
18 miles an hour.
18 miles an hour.
We're going to be up to 21 by 11 o'clock.
Up 21 by 11 o'clock. All right. Let's get it. Getting set up here right now. As you can see, the wind is blowing. You can probably hear it. Got our rod holders out. That wind's blowing directly to us. We still at 75-25? Yeah. 75-25. Let's see what happens. Just got a message from Jacob. Turns out there's road blocked off. And so he's trying to get here. He should be here anytime. We've got 2 rods out. We're getting ready to throw a 3rd. Wish us luck. This is going to be a good day. I can feel it. It feels like it's going to be a good day. Closer. So Jacob decided he's not coming, so it's just me and Anthony. We're gonna crush it. Crush him. What he's missing. Sorry you missed this, Jacob, but it's gonna be crazy. So we just had a big little hit on the big rod here. Guessing it's probably a channel cat. So we'll wait for it to come back. But had a little ding, and 10 minutes ago, this other rod to the left, my Anthony got hit as well. So we'll see what happens. We're going to get this up. It's been less than 20 minutes. We've already had 2 hits on these rods. That 75-25 is looking kind of positive, so we shall see.
Shit.
Just missed another big one. Hooked into it. He twisted the bait around on the hook, so I was unable to get him. But Anthony's on next. Let's see what happens. By the way, guys, if you're looking for really cool Tennessee Islanders swag, go check out tnislanders.com. tnislanders.com, or follow the link on this YouTube page. All right, we've rebaited. The wind's actually calmed down a little bit. We switched to a different bait. Figured while we're waiting, let's go ahead and do a little cooking. Check this out. Got some dogs going, some sausage, some Texas bread. We've even got a little cheese we're gonna throw on there. This is gonna be good, y'all. Bottoms up. Here we are, eating food. I guess Catfish wanted to eat too, because we just had a hit on that rod. So now we're just gonna sit here and wait. Cheers. I was gonna say, at least wait till we're done eating. Well, we'll give an update in a minute. birds are going absolutely insane. Look at them diving for bait. That's unbelievable. Look at that. Guys, this wind's getting real bad. We're gonna move up to another spot where the wind will be in our backs. Stay tuned. We're gonna pack up. New place, giving it a go, a little less windy. A little calmer. See what happens. See ya. Let her rip. Sheesh. Nice cast.
50 feet.
Well,
Damn it.
Yahoo. Anthony and I were sitting here talking about the weather. We've got 3 lines out right now. And we're looking out. Looks like the storms are coming this way. We just looked at the map, and I'll throw that on this video too. But they're coming. We're holding out though. We're holding our ground. We need to at least get 1 cat before the day's done. So we shall see. We've been watching striper jump all throughout here. Hopefully we have some luck before we gotta pack it up. Fish on. It's a good one.
Of course, we're gonna have to bring them in a mile.
Yep. Someone's leaving. Where are you feeling? 35?
25, 30 class.
25, 30. Coming out. Shad jumping everywhere.
This might actually be a striper. No.
There's shad jumping everywhere. You say you thought it might have been a striper for a second. Swimming right here.
Yeah, he's staying straight out. Little
Blue.
This one's way off. About a 15.
15 pounds. Nice fish still. Sorry. These are lines. Oop.
Still.
He's ready to swim back, isn't he? There he is. First fish of the day.
He ain't skunked.
We ain't get skunked now. Right before the storm hits. See all those shad jumping as you're reeling them in? There were tons of them jumping as he was reeling that fish in, literally near the fish. It's pretty cool. Thanks for joining us, guys, right here on Tennessee Islanders. Sorry we only caught 1 fish, just part of it. But follow us next week. Actually, follow us this Sunday. We've got a lot of big things happening. Actually, we're going to have a group out there on the lake together. We're going to have a little competition. Feel free to check us out, tnislanders.com. Make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. We'll talk to you soon.